A small story. The clever crow. Once there was a crow. It was a very hot day, and the crow was very thirsty. The crow flew here and there, searching for water, but it could not find any water. After some time, the crow saw a pot. It flew down quickly and looked inside the pot. There was a little water at the bottom. The crow tried to drink, but its beak could not reach the water. It felt sad, but did not give up. The crow looked around and saw some small stones. An idea came to its mind. One by one, the crow picked up the stone and dropped them into the pot. Plop, plop, plop. Slowly, the water level began to rise. Soon, the water came up to the top. The crow drank the water happily and flew away. Moral: where there is a will, there is a way.